polar bear. Look at the rhinoceros. So today is day 5 of our Toronto tour and we have come to the Toronto Zoo. So previously you would have seen one video for each of the places we went. Ripley's Aquarium, CN Tower, Casa Loma and the Royal Ontario Museum. All are amazing places and this one is the last in the series. So have a look at the Toronto Zoo. So this is the map of Toronto Zoo. Here they have written name in Hindi. Ek Singh wala ganda. So it's the rhinoceros. Relaxing, taking a water bath, a mud bath. So here you are inside the area where birds are kept. It's a huge snake. It can grow up to 10 meters is what it is written.
Quick. Come on now.
Who is this kid? Oh wow, look at that. That's a shot. Okay, we're gonna do that again.
Look at the rhinoceros. They have a picnic site as well, so that if you get tired while walking around, so you can just sit here, maybe enjoy your small food that you would have bought. And here we have some shops as well from where you can buy. Zebra.
What is a zebra?
Zebra is eating, not zebra is crossing.
Not eating. Not eating.
Cheetah. Sleeping lion. We are now sitting here on a picnic area just to take a break for some time. It has been long since we have been walking, so we'll take some break, have some little snack, and then we'll start moving again.
Et on a un, il rentre, il est où là? C'est pieds, c'est comme ses mains. Ouais.
What is Spiderman? No. What is Spiderman?
What?
Wow. The German.
In the zoo we entered from here and then we took a left turn. You can take a right turn as well. We took a left turn. We covered this Indomalia. We came here again. From here you could have taken right or left. We thought let's go left, and then we covered this area here until here, and here on the front right left hand side there is Canadian domain. So we went to the Canadian domain, but here there is a lot of walk. There is steep slope on which you have to first get down, then you have to get up, and there we actually didn't see much of the thing that might be of your interest, right? So from here you can come here, watch the grizzly bear. We came back from here, and yeah, till here. So from here we were supposed to take left, but since we took a left from here, so this area was missing, so we just took right. We have covered this area, and now we are taking this route to go here. We could have taken this route also, but here there is a children play area, and our child was crying as soon as she came here for playing in this area, so we took the additional ticket. She played around in this area. We don't want to go back here and then again she will start crying, right? So we'll continue with our original plan. We'll go here and then we'll cover this area. It's already 3-4 hours and we have only covered till now this much. It's a very big zoo. Wolves. Polar bear. This is the biggest meat-eating animal on earth. Yes, this is bigger than lion and tiger.
Hey, no.
Polar bear. Ooh, Sher Khan. Hey Sher Khan. The mighty cats.
Oh my goodness. Tiger.
Hey. Hello.
Hi.
Hello tiger. How are you? We are done with touring the Toronto Zoo. It's an amazing place. Kids will enjoy, even us. Like we also enjoyed. There are so many animals, so you should definitely go and visit. And there is also a splash pad where you and kids can enjoy in the water. There will be some water pouring. Then again, I think it will depend upon the weather. It took us 5 hours without enjoying in that splash pad. That is the water thing. We just roamed around. So if you are coming back from zoo, then they provide a shuttle service, the TTC bus. So they will take you to a specific point. It's like 1 kilometer ahead, and from there it's a loop kind of a road where they drop you. And it is written that the next bus you have to take from this is the number, it will come here. However, that bus which we were supposed to take from that loop kind of a place 1 kilometer ahead, that person did not stop there. And he just took a roundabout and he was going back, and there it was a red light. That's why the bus was stopped. So we walked towards that red light. We crossed the road. and then I asked him that yeah, we have to get up. So he opened and we got up. And then I asked him, why did you stop at that place, right? He said, no, I don't think the bus stops at that place. Maybe the driver is right, that bus doesn't stop at that place, or maybe he doesn't know, I don't know. But it is written on that bus stop normally, the bus number is. There were others as well who were waiting on that stop like us, and the bus didn't stop and they were also surprised. So just be aware of this.